Hi, I'm a co-founder of SPIC and SPAN Home and Office Cleaning, and today I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of professional oven cleaning. So, why should you order oven cleaning? First, it helps prevent fire hazards by reducing the risk of grease and food particles igniting. It also eliminates odors from old food and grease buildup, keeping your kitchen smelling fresh. Plus, it enhances food quality by preventing smoke and toxins from affecting the taste. Next, a clean oven boosts energy efficiency, which means it heats up faster and lowers your energy bills. It also prolongs the lifespan of your oven by preventing damage and costly repairs. And let's not forget, a clean oven promotes even cooking, giving you more consistent results every time. Lastly, a clean oven maintains hygiene by preventing bacteria and mold from growing inside. It also reduces smoke and pollution while you cook and improves the appearance of your oven, making it look like new again. Here you can see the difference a professional cleaning can make. On the left, we have an oven before cleaning, and on the right, the same oven looks spotless after the cleaning service. To get started, simply visit our website at spicandspan.net and select your country. Next, insert your postal code to check for service availability and pricing in your area. Then, fill out our online booking form and select any extras, like oven cleaning. Here's how the process works afterwards. First, our customer support will ask you to send clear photos of your oven. This helps cleaning teams evaluate its condition. Based on their evaluation, we'll send you a detailed quote, and then you can confirm the service once everything's set. If you're interested or have any questions, feel free to contact us via email at info@spicandspan.net or book directly on our website, spicandspan.net. We are here to assist you at any time.